not that side there. Oh no.
Construction dyan?
Yeah, somewhere there.
Oh.
I cannot see. Or maybe later you can come nearer. You can see the have also like the Sky 100 in Hong Kong. But the sun is shining. There, can you see that high-rise building there that I'm in Shenzhen already?
Oh, I see.
Yeah, this one in, where is this? Xiongshoi or Lok Ma Chau? Because when you go to China, you go to the Lok Ma Chau. So I think this one here somewhere. I think this one in Xiongshoi. Is this Xiongshoi here?
I think so.
Or Lok Ma Chau? I think Lok Ma Chau because when you go to China, right, you go to Lok Ma Chau. Lok Ma Chau or Xiongshoi, that way. I'm hungry now. Just did the snack right. When the sun is shining, and we're going to see some buildings in Shenzhen. That's why there's a high-rise building there that I'm I think we cannot see already. Maybe this is the other area. Let's see if we will pass by that side. There, can you see the buildings there? Like the rocket. Like the sharp one. Is that can we still see it? I hope so. But I think no. I think let's see. Surrounded by trees. They're like the, can you see like the Sky 100?
Yeah.
The buildings. Yeah, I can see the. Have you passed by this one, this side here today? No.
I don't think so, no.
No, huh? There, can you see the building there? That one in Shenzhen already there.
Oh.
That side there. The building, but it's behind the trees. Is it?
Yeah, I see.
So nice, right?
Yeah.
But you go to that side there, have the diversion road from going to Shenzhen. This one going to Tianshouwai. Have the road there going to Shenzhen, to China. So that's why you can see that building. Xiongshoi, welcome to Xiongshoi. Something farm dito. At ang Yunlong also, I think, to Shenzhen. Oh, diba? See, can you see the high-rise building in
Yeah, I can.
China? Right? There, like the rocket there.
Oh. Yeah, I see.
Right? And like the Sky 100, right?
Right.
The shape.
Yeah.
I think that on the Sky number 1.
so small on the screen.